So for this video, we will solve the system x plus y equals 12 and x minus y equals to 4 so that we can get the value of your x and y. So there are actually two ways to solve this. You can solve this by substitution or you can solve this by elimination. So in this video, we will solve this by substitution. So we have here equation 1 and equation 2. So ang first thing na dapat ninyong gawin is ito, we will use equation 1. Okay, tapos ita-transfer natin o ita-transpose natin si y sa kabilang side para makuha natin si x in terms of y. So that would be 12 minus y. So itong y, we will transfer it here. Again, that's positive. Whenever you transpose that to the other side, magiging negative siya. And then, itong second equation natin sa equation 2, copy lang natin. So that's x minus y equals to 4. And this equation here, ito siya, itong tinranspose natin, yan siya, yun yung isa-substitute natin dito. So let's substitute itong equation 3, ito siya dito. So x daw is equal to 12 minus y. So x ito, so si x magiging 12 minus y, which is ito. Tapos copy lang natin ito. Okay, so minus y equals 4. So 12 minus y is equal to 4. So y minus y is actually equal to negative 2y. So i-add lang kasi natin yung variable, no? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Tapos yung negative kasi siya, so we will just write the negative sign. Tapos, copy natin si 12 and then copy natin si 4. Now, let's transpose 12 to the other side. Okay, kasi wala siyang variable. So, ipapagsamahin natin siya. So, dito will be negative 2 na lang, negative 2y na lang yung natira. Tapos, 4 minus 12. So, magiging minus 12 kasi we transpose it to the other side. So, that will be negative 2y. 4 minus 12 is 8. Okay, 8 siya. Or negative 8 kasi 4 minus 12, negative 8. And then we will divide both sides ng negative 2 so that we can cancel out negative 2 here. Y na lang yung natira. So basically, negative 8 over negative 2 is 4 kasi both negative divided by negative is positive. So your answer will be y is equal to 4. Now, dahil meron na tayong value ni y is equal to 4, we will substitute it here, dito sa equation na to. Okay, di ba meron tayong x is equal to 12 minus y. This equation here. So, we'll substitute the value of 4 so that we can get the value of x. So, x is equal to 12 minus 4. Kasi negative yan. So, copy lang natin yung negative. Tapos si y is 4. So, x now is equal to 8. So, ito na po yung answer natin. Your y is equal to 4 and your x is equal to 8. That's how you do, that's how you solve the system by substitution.